Yeah, I think it's a very ill-conceived and unilateral measure that is going to be very detrimental to the industry because there was no stakeholder consultation. What is the rationale behind it is very puzzling because I think there are enough market forces at play because of the very fiercely competitive market that we have where each of the brands that they have put under this price ceiling has multiple brands in the market to really arrive at a very competitive pricing model. Now, having said that, I also want to mention that you have the option of unbranded generics, and I think in a country like India, brand value is not being recognized. You have to allow brand building. Brands must command premiums, and if you take away that whole concept of premium branding, I think you're destroying the brand value of the Indian pharma sector.
It's ironic because the government itself was pushing for the creation of an Indian brand on a global
Right,
stage.
and Indian pharma sector is considered to be the pharmacy of the world. You're trying to create a huge global brand, and you're eroding huge brand value domestically. So I think that it's at cross purpose.
You kind of said an interesting thing. Your tweet was there is a treatment without a diagnosis.
Yes, not only that, I also tweeted saying it's almost tantamount to nationalization of the Indian pharma sector. Because if the government goes about it in this high-handed way without any stakeholder consultation to start mandating discounts, I think it's very unfair.
So far as the pharma sector is concerned, we had the same complaints with the earlier government too. So are you really disappointed that the approach hasn't changed at least?
Yeah, yes, I'm very disappointed, because I was expecting that the NDA government would understand what the issues are and almost reverse some of the things that the UPA had done. But this is almost like adding to our woes.